and the command to do that is ls. If I type in ls in the terminal and press enter, I see that all of my folders and files in the home folder are being displayed in the terminal. I have desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, public, shell scripts, templates, Ubuntu One, and videos as directories, and I have two files, examples.desktop and test. Now test is a file that I just created, and ls tells me all the files and folders that are there in the home folder. But what if I want to know what is there in the documents folder? I can either change my directory, go to documents, and then type in ls, and I can see that I have two folders in there. One is the test folder and the other is worksheets. Or instead, what I can do is I can simply type in ls documents, and if I press enter, I see the same thing. So that is what ls does in its most simple form. Now what if I also want to know about the file permissions or the directory permissions of the files and folders in my directory? If I wish to do that, then I'll have to type in ls, and I'll have to execute it with the -l option. Now -l is for long listing, and if I press enter, I see that the first statement on the screen is total 48. 48 is the number of blocks that are occupied by all the files and folders in this directory combined together. One block is a block is basically a unit of memory that is used for memory organization by Unix, and I mean, by default, I'm not sure about this, but I guess a block is equivalent to 1024 bytes. Yeah, that has to be correct. So there you go. You see all the files and folders, and it's interesting to note that in the rows where I see my folders, for example, in the row of desktop or in the row of documents, my first column is is different from the first column of test. In test, I see a hyphen, whereas for templates or documents and